Welcome to Boventures. This morning we went to Blizzard Beach for our second day in a row doing the check-in arrival day free ticket. It was a little chillier today, so we stayed there for a couple hours, did our favorite mat rides, and then we hopped on a bus, went to Animal Kingdom, then went to Port Orleans, Riverside. Now we're walking over to the French Quarter to get some beignets, and then go to Disney Springs and get a little lunch / dinner.
You have to stop for beignets.
Yeah, but
you
we
walk past and not stop.
Then we're gonna take the boat from French Quarter here to Disney Springs. So we'll show you a little bit of what we get up to on this short little adventure day.
Woohoo!
They have some nice paths here along the river bend. So this is the river that'll take you to Disney Springs. They have boats coming and going from there, and it takes you to the marketplace side of the springs. Looks like they're doing some renovations here at French Quarter. It'll be interesting to see how these updated rooms look like when they're all done. So the French Quarter was actually the first Disney hotel Jesse and I stayed at years and years ago. Must have been like 10 years ago. I love the trees and the just overall look of this hotel. It's designed on the French Quarter, New Orleans. It's like you're on the streets on the pathways. This is what it looks like. And you have these nice little parks in the middle of the buildings here. A nice little fountain area there. Theo's taking a look at. And that was the cakewalk we just went down. It's a little horse tie up there. We'll walk by the pool area here shortly, but first we're going to take a right here and go to the shop to get our magnet, which we've been collecting for every place that we stayed at. We just never got one the first time we came here. So the gift shop here is called Jackson Square Gifts and Desires, and this is kind of like the main area in the lobby right up ahead here at the French Quarter. So the gift shop is fairly basic, nothing too unique here. They do have some Tiana merchandise that I haven't seen elsewhere. And there's also some beignet mix. And they do have a magnet that we're gonna grab. Then they also have this cool spirit jersey. Is it a Mickey beignet spirit jersey? And beignet ears. Beignet all day.
Beignets all day.
Is that what you would eat all day, every day? Let's see. How do they look? Beignet all day. They're Loungefly ones. You're like me. Look at your beignet ears. They also have some turbis tumblers for the French Quarter here as well. And here's the lobby area. Something that I really liked about it is like the big greenhouse area here. You can see the Christmas tree for Christmas. And right to the left, there's Floatworks, which is where the food area is. And then they also have the Scat Cats Club Cafe where you can get the Mickey shaped beignets. We're gonna get the 3 beignets and then the Baton Rouge beignets that has Bailey's ice cream in it. It looks like they have some decent food here at the quick service meal area. Ooh, they have a king cake as well, the Mickey brownie, the grilled chicken sandwich, the salmon that they had here, Cuban fries. A lot of options, but we secured our goods here. The Baton Rouge beignets and the regular beignets. Here are the Baton Rouge ones. You can see the Baileys there. You have to squirt them inside of it. The kids are part of the alligator band. They do have a little tiny park here as well, and then you can see the pool going in here. Okay, let's try this.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know if I squeezed it inside or not. Oh no, it just spills out. Oh buddy, we'll try this, see how it works. We have icing sugar everywhere, which is part of having beignets. We forgot to show you the Mickey look of them. But there's been a lot of beignet users here, as you can see by the powdered sugar all over the ground. The Baton Rouge ones, I squeezed it right away, but they just poked a hole right through it, so it just came out at the bottom. So I pulled it out a little bit and then put it inside of the beignet, like Jesse's doing, I'll show you. And then you squeeze it in and let it soak up in there. It's pretty tasty. Oh, you can see it soaking up in there.
I know, right? It's going in.
That looks good.
It does.
Such a good treat. We also had the beignets in Magic Kingdom by Tiana's, and these would be a lot better. So make sure to come to Port Orleans if you want to try some beignets. Oh, Jesse's finishing off her Baton Rouge ones. How was it?
It's very yummy.
So the pool here has like this big sea serpent with like a king trident on it. This is the main pool area. And here's the little kids splash structure. It's like a big Mardi Gras fun area. So here's the dock for the boats, and then you can see a huge line to get on the boat to Disney Springs. So it might be a couple boats here. And that's our little quick tour of the Port Orleans French Quarter. Now let's head over to Disney Springs and see what we have for food. We got a mystery pin pack from the pin traders at Disney Springs. Okay, open it up.
What's inside?
Theo, come look.
Theo, what's in the mystery pack?
Oh.
Oh, careful. Oh, we got two. What? What are they?
Oh, slow down.
Ooh, an airplane.
Got a cool airplane one. An orange bird airplane.
Yeah.
And an Alice bunny.
What is that?
I like the hidden Mickeys on them too. We made it here to Disney Springs. We got those pins that we showed you, and now we're just getting a little bit of supper here at Cook's of Dublin Fish and Chips. The Cook's of Dublin is the kind of quick service version of Raglan Road. It's right beside it. And right in between is the hole in the wall. And we got the combo basket, which has chicken and fish in it. And then Theo got the little kids burger. Ooh, it looks good, Theo.
I did the fish or chicken. The fish is the chicken.
Looks good. Then you got your chips there. The fish and chips are really good, tasty. Definitely would recommend trying it out if you are in Disney Springs. It's relatively quick. You just get your own seat. And that's the Cook's of Dublin. We're gonna make a quick pit stop at our favorite place here at Homecoming. You can get this reusable cup. I believe it's $24 for the first one. Refills on their cocktails are $16, and then you can get free Coke products or their lemonade or sweet tea as well. The next stop is Everglades to get a donut and their peanut butter cold brew, which is also a good treat that I like to get every time we come here. Here's all the options. They have classic donuts, funky bunch, super funky ones. And they range from $4.95 to $6.50. Now it's gonna get the Reese Nitros cold brew. Here's the blueberry maple that we got, and the Reese Nitro. We're just outside the Starbucks here in the Star Wars Galactic Outpost and Marvel Superhero Headquarters. And you can get a popcorn refill here as well, which is $2.25. They had the Tiana buckets here too if you're looking for those. And it's getting to be that time here. It's 6 o'clock, and everywhere is packed wherever you look. We're now going to head over to our hotel at Animal Kingdom Lodge for our last day, our evening here in Orlando. Lilo and Stitch here on the Christmas tree stroll for our last Christmas tree that we're going to see here, I think.
Oh, look at Elvis Stitch.
Like the Elvis Stitch.
Oh, look at Sandcastle. Oh, no. Pickle small.
We made it here to Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're staying in the Jamba House in a DVC value room studio. And we'll show you the big reveal here. Such a great hotel. We haven't been here during the holidays before, but this tree is pretty sweet. We're happy it's still here. We're able to see it here on January 2nd. We're gonna go get our bags here at the Bells from Bell Services. We had them transferred from All Star Sports. So if you're staying at any of the Disney resorts, you're able to get your bags transferred from resort to resort. So here's a map. We are staying in the Ostrich Trail, and it looks like we do have a safari view here with the Value Studio. We'll do a full tour of the hotel tomorrow, or the lodge tomorrow, and we're gonna be going to the pool or hot tub tonight. The kids are right there. We are on level number 5, and the kids got a little trolley lift as well. So this is from the 5th level. One level above is the concierge level, I believe. We had to take a little pause break to bask in the great views. Something else that I like is they have a lot of different cultural artifacts here. Can't really see you in the lighting right now. So here we are, 511. So we walk into the room here, you have a little mirror, you can see Theo and Zuri. And being DVC, you do have a microwave and a fridge, a little mini fridge, and a sink. And right to the right here is the washroom, double vanity. And you have a tub, shower, got your body wash and conditioner. Washroom there. And being a value studio, it's a little bit smaller than the regular studios. You have a pull-out couch sofa here. Then you have your main bed. I love the furniture that they have here. Zuri hiding. And then, ooh, I like that mirror. Hi. Look at there. All the rooms have the Alexa. If you looked at our old Key West videos, we used it as an alarm a lot. So it's really good for that. Let's go outside and show you. We'll have to show you in the morning. So we do have a Savannah view here on the Ostrich Trail. It is nighttime, so don't really see any out and about right now, but we'll show you in the morning, and I'm sure we'll be out here relaxing, enjoying the Savannah room on our final day here in Orlando. We'll be spending our day here tomorrow at the pool and around the resort. So we'll show you around the resort tomorrow and what fun things they have here. And the marketplace, zebra domes, if you haven't heard of those, they're very popular. And the animals from our Savannah view. So thanks for watching today. It was a fun day. Cold morning, cold evening tonight. But until next time, Boventure is out there. Bye. Good night.
Good night.
Gonna go help Jessie. Bring the bags in.
Bye, bro.
But, yeah, the cool sign. Bye, bro.
Right, bro.